they're with their trunk, sometimes even heavier than that. And then they can also pick up something as small as a coin, just with the tip of it. So they can also be incredibly gentle. They've actually done studies on elephant trunks trying to figure out how something so powerful and huge and strong and muscular can be as gentle. They can pick up tortilla chips without breaking them. I can't pick up tortilla chips without breaking them, so it's pretty impressive. Yeah, go ahead. No, they don't eat while they're sleeping, but they will certainly wake up to eat, and they don't sleep as much as we do. So they only need about 4 hours of sleep at night, which I wish I could survive on that because I would get so much stuff done, but it is not to be. That is one way in which I am not like an elephant.
Do they really have great memories?
Yes, their memories are fabulous. I would venture to say that Suki's memory for names, for faces, for people, is way, way better than mine. Like, I could know someone at work, and if I see them out of context, like, I might not know who you are. I'll be like, who is that person? I'll be like, oh my gosh, I've seen them every day for like 5 years. Suki can remember people that she was at another facility out from 20 or 30 years ago. Absolutely incredible memories. Hanako does. And so they're always able to touch each other, to catch out to the tables. They can talk all the time. A lot of what elephants are saying is actually below our level of hearing. So they're talking all the time, we just can't hear it. It's personic. It's totally fascinating. And it's people at Oregon Zoo that actually figured that out in the 70s. That elephants have so much communication below our level of hearing. Infrasonic sound also travels 45 distances. So that actually helps solve the mystery of how elephant families that were split apart by miles and miles can kind of figure out where to be talking from miles and miles away. That's a question.
The trunks are his hands.
Some different animals.
So, how do they do it? They do it so it's kind of like if you have you ever blown a snot? Kind of like that. So what they'll do is they'll suck the water up into their trunk and then they'll hold it there with back pressure. So
He does pee. He poops. He's going to pee. Animals poop. I don't want to go there. What's up there? I don't see up there. He does pee on the floor. He pees. That thing we pee on here. No, he peed at the What's a porcupine? Me too. What's a porcupine?
Okay, let's go now.
You guys must go.
On the street, I've been on the
The story was comes up everywhere he goes. He just what's the best? It's the meerkat. It's the story.
Yeah, I know, we just read about that for story time. The little meerkat.
I
Такой хаос.